Yeah, that shit's gonna rip. It's going too fast.
It's going nice. What's that smell? Yeah, because it's gonna.
Oh, it's shaking, it's shaking?
Oh shit!
First try.
Something's burning. I don't know what
First
the fuck
try.
that's.
It's a varnish.
Hey, first try. We're fucking ass. Everybody was hating on us.
David.
Everybody was like, oh, this is not gonna be first try. I know, this kid.
You're gonna take it out? Or?
Yeah.
You don't know when we have to let it go to see how.
Yeah. We gotta let it go.
Oh.
We're gonna see if it stops and if it goes by itself as well.
It's going by itself at the moment.
You stopped it and you turned. Oh no, wait.
No, because
Yeah, see, it's going by. It's going.
Oh, put it back on and you get to stop, right? What the flame is.
Let it slow down more.
Oh, be careful with that shit.
There, throw it on there. Throw it on there.
Oh, there you go.
It's picking up.
Yeah, picking up.
Yeah.
fuck yeah. Ooh, how fast is it going?
Nah, who cares? It's going.
It's going.
How can you do that?
Oh, fuck. We do. Hey, that shit's picking up. That shit's going way too fast now. That shit's gonna. We don't want to wear it out. Shall we kill this for now?
Yeah.
Yeah.